DConnect is a service for the remote control and management of systems that simplifies routine work, improves customer satisfaction, and suggests new sales models. All installations at a glance. A quick glance is enough to know what's happening. The summary page is simple and straightforward and gives an overview of the situation of the system. Level 1 detail allows you to see the key information of each component. Comfort settings and software updates are also managed here. Level 2 detail allows you to check the setting of individual components and change them directly in remote mode. Level 3 detail is dedicated to data analysis, and it is just like being physically in front of the system. You can therefore change the settings to optimize performance or ensure efficiency of the system. For example, if a system error draws attention to the map, one click is enough to check the details and understand what's going on to better manage the situation. And to make informed and targeted decisions, data can be downloaded, organized, and analyzed by an expert eye.